Another beautiful morning here in Åndalsnes. A little bit cold, but still the skies are clear and it looks like it's gonna be an amazing day. It's time for the first cup of coffee and I'm gonna take a stroll on the beach, just enjoy all the impressions from the river and the mountains around. I just really love this place. Today I'm going from Åndalsnes up one of the most famous gravel roads in the area before I continue towards Lush and over Sandgrovbotnvegen to Vågamo. But before I go to Vågamo, I want to go up to the Blåhøe mountain and back down again where I'm going to find camp. But now it's time to get going.
So this is a dead end. There's just down to a power station, and from there on you can walk towards our famous waterfall. But when I was going over Edwin the other day, I saw that there was no water in the waterfall, so there's no point going up over there. So now we're gonna head on back to where we came from, and yeah, just enjoy the scenery on the other way around. So I just arrived Vågamo. I had a really great time over the Slådalsveien. When I was taking off from the main road down, I met a Danish guy who recognized me when I was standing in the side of the road setting up my camera. He's been seeing all my videos and he's actually going on a trip now based on my recommendation, and I think it's going up to Blåhøe later today. I just ordered myself a chicken burger again. I really enjoy the chicken burger from this gas station here in Vågamo. I'm not quite sure how far I'm gonna stretch it today, because today has been a roller coaster of emotions. It's kind of like 1 second I'm homesick and miss my girlfriend and kid at home, and then the other time I just really enjoy the nature and scenic stuff and get goosebumps, and all of a sudden I'm fighting my own demons, and yeah, so it's just today has been a really strange day.
Så at det her var på den siden, da har du jo fått ja, det er åpenbart at man trenger en masse da. Nei, så lenge en bit oppi den selve.
It always surprised me who you end up meeting when you're sitting on the side of the road like this. Kjetil and Edwin was just passing by and I stopped and had a little chat. I met them before at Bukkerittet, and it's been a long time since I've seen them last. Kjetil had a leakage in his front fork. I think they managed to seal it up before they continued the trip down to Beitestølen. I think there is going to be some kind of adventure event or something they're going to attend. For me, I'm just going to continue up to Blåhøe. I'm going to enjoy the evening weather up there. And after I've been to Blåhøe, I think I'm just going to go find somewhere to camp in the area. dansegulvet.